Hello and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're basically going to be exploring the purposes of a ground plate and grounding. So many people are not aware, but a ground plate plays a vital and important role when it comes to your home. And the reason why we install ground plates is basically so that voltage has a way to get back to ground and disappear into the ground. So basically, if you don't have a ground plate, there's a big potential that electricity will find another path to ground. So for that reason, a grounding plate is always required to be buried below 24 inches. Let's say usually I go about 5 feet. I try to hit the frost where you have all the actual stones and stuff. So ground plate is very important, and there's not only ground plates, you have ground rods also. So there are different terms of ground plates you can use, and it will do its job once properly installed using the proper grounding wire to hold that path back to ground. That's why you always see we use a minimum of number 6 ground, which can either be solid or it can also be of some stranded ground wire. Solid, sometimes you see the ground wire which is solid and there's no sheeted onto it. That's also acceptable. If you go back to my shorts that I posted today, you'll see a picture of the ground plate. So ground plates are mostly important also because of your systems that you have in the home. Um, these systems need a way to get back to earth, ground, and for that reason, you'll see us always grounding off our devices, which is very important and crucial. Crucial. Once these devices are grounded properly, and if you happen to have a lightning, then everything goes back to the earth safely, and your devices are basically protected from any type of damage with the proper grounding. Sorry about that. So basically, electrical safety is very important, and that plays an important role in achieving its goal. It has to be done correctly, and always providing a path to ground is always vital. And you ever wonder sometimes why electricians always go to the panel, and they always, most of the time, well, 100% of the time, we're supposed to have our boots on. It's because our boots basically protect us. And most of the time, when you see us coming into homes, we don't remove our shoes because that's basically our savior. So these boots plays a vital and important role to us also when it comes to grounding. So basically, in a proper grounded electrical system, the electricity goes directly into the ground. But if for some reason it's not properly grounded, then there's many ways and path of this. Electrical basically will find the shortest path and the shortest route. So basically, if you have one plug that's not grounded, it will find its shortest route and path instead of doing its job and going back to the ground where it's supposed to go back to the ground. It also will help protect your equipments. Your equipments are very expensive, and you don't want to know that because of improper ground that your equipment was damaged. So it's very important to have your grounding throughout your house, as your equipments are pretty expensive and vital. Also, it plays an important role to your devices. So basically, what I'm saying is everything has to find a way back to ground, and that's why the ground plate, along with grounding your homes, along with grounding your devices, your plugs, your switches, plays a vital important role, because grounding electrical finds the least path of resistance, and you want to make sure that that path is all the way back to the ground and not somewhere on the second floor where it will damage your devices and your electronics and stuff like that. So that was a short video on grounding, and also please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you guys can leave a comment in the comment section of what you thought about the today's video. And also, I'd like to give a shout out to Trill. Hold it down. Time is near. Time is around the corner. See you soon. and I'll catch you guys on the next live.